Oh my goodness, guys, take a seat, take a seat. Why are you panting so much?
I need more oxygen.
Yes, oxygen. That's what I need.
Well, you want to know a secret?
Yeah.
I can give you more oxygen right away.
How?
Here's a leaf.
Give me that.
No. Let me explain.
What is it going to do?
Whoa!
Where in the wild world are we?
What's going on? What just happened?
Golly green grapevines. It's so green in here.
We're inside a leaf, of course.
Oh my gosh, what's this? What just came out of the stem?
Let me see. Oh, that's a molecule of water. Do you know another name for water?
Is it H2O maybe?
Good job, good observations. So, another name for the molecule of water is H2O. We have 2 hydrogens, or H, and 1 oxygen, or O.
Whoa, something just came in the side of the leaf.
It looks like it came from the stomata. Oh, it's another molecule. It has 2 parts, just like H2O. It's called carbon dioxide. We have 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Do you know where carbon dioxide comes from?
From my breath.
Good job. So we're going to do something with our 2 parts. Something to do with our breath and something else. What do you think we're going to make? We're going to make all the food in the world.
No way. All the food in the world?
From just water in my breath?
Plus, I thought we were going to talk about oxygen that I breathe.
Hold on. First, we need to break these molecules apart. This is a process called photosynthesis. Have you heard of it before?
No.
So first we're going to take these molecules and make parts of our recipe and rearrange them to make something called a carbohydrate. Do you know what a carbohydrate is?
A carbo what?
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
Good job. Not carbon dioxide, carbohydrate.
Okay.
Is that sugar?
What's another name for sugar?
What about glucose?
Good job. It's both sugar and glucose. Well, in order to rearrange these molecules, we're going to need to break them into their parts. Can you give it a shot?
Yes.
We got this. Here, you take those ends, and I'll take these ends. We just don't have the energy to do this.
Wait, you need energy? Where do you think we could get some energy?
A jelly sandwich.
Gasoline.
Well, you're a plant, remember? Plants don't eat and plants can't blow themselves up. Where do you think we get most of our energy, or the source of all of our energy here on Earth? You can't just get it from a jelly sandwich or from some dynamite.
What
You're a
about
plant, remember?
The sun?
The sun? You're right! Now that we have our energy,
We can break them apart.
now, good job, friends. Let's rearrange these molecules into what was that called again?
A carbohydrate?
That's right, a carbohydrate. It's the simplest form of sugar found on Earth. Now, you need to take your hydrogen, your carbon, and a single oxygen and make a chain. Fantastic! You just made a carbohydrate.
We didn't do it right. We've got leftovers.
Leftovers? You mean like food, right? I like leftovers.
She did say we were making food for the entire world.
So wait a minute. Did you say you were going to make food for the entire world?
That's right, the entire world. Well, you just did what plants do. Well, green plants. You just made what we call simple carbohydrates or simple sugars. Only you just made your own food as a plant. That's something that animals can't do.
There's not a single animal that can do that?
Nope, only green plants can make their own food.
With just water and carbon dioxide?
That's impossible. A plant can make a sugar from just carbon dioxide and water? My head's gonna explode.
Wait a minute. I still don't think we did it right. We have this extra piece.
Oh yeah, that extra oxygen.
Nice observation. What do you think we need to do with that?
Should I just toss it out?
Yeah, if you toss it out of the leaf, that could be the oxygen that we breathe in. So you're telling me that with just water and sunlight and carbon dioxide, a plant can make all the food in the world and all of the air that we breathe?
It's a great process that we call photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, that's right. So in photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means combine things together. So we took water and carbon dioxide and made our carbohydrate.
Well, hold on a second. So I have a question now. I was down at the pond earlier. I was breathing out carbon dioxide. There was water in the pond, and the sun was shining on me. Was I photosynthesizing?
Well, let's think about it. For photosynthesis to happen, we just need water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Well, what do you think? Were they photosynthesizing?
Maybe. Well, actually, Carrie said that there is no photosynthesis for animals. So, no.
No. We weren't photosynthesizing?
No.
That's right, because photosynthesis is about location, location, location. Photosynthesis only happens inside a green leaf. You know that stuff that makes plants green? Chlorophyll. Well, plants need chlorophyll in order to photosynthesize. So photosynthesis only happens inside a green leaf. Oh yeah. What did you learn?
So today in the leaf, I learned that leaves do a process called photosynthesis. They use the energy from sunlight to break down carbon dioxide and water. These molecules get rearranged to create a carbohydrate or sugar and an extra oxygen that gets released into the air. So you're telling me that I could go in my own backyard and find plants doing photosynthesis?
Absolutely. Why don't you give it a shot? You could even go in your own backyard and find 5 different green plants that are photosynthesizing.
I'd really like to see an animal eating the green plants that were made from the energy from the sun.
Let's go! Well, it looks like it's just us, chickens. But really, We're getting the best deal on earth from these green plants. We get oxygen and a little bit of food for energy. Want some? It's the best deal on earth.